With all the gyms being closed these days, and with the perspective of remaining closed for a long time, I felt the need for a more sophisticated training rig, a strength tower of power.
In your face, virus! I am your father.
No, eso no es cierto. ¡Es imposible!
Busca en tus sentimientos. Tú sabes que es cierto.
¡Ah! ¡No!
Hello folks, today I'm gonna build a tower of power.
Most of the online shops are now out of stock, and the ones in the country that lie about their casualties who still sell these are very expensive. I searched the internet and found this drawing, and I already have a lot of stock materials, so I decided to build one myself. This is itself a part of the training, but I didn't know what I was getting myself into. You can see the problem welding two circular pipes is that you can't get a seamless connection. There's a big gap here. How we are going to eliminate this gap? First, we draw a center line here on the pipe that's going to be chamfered, to be trimmed, and we are marking the spots where it intersects the mother pipe. So basically we have to trim a portion like this, but how much? Theoretically this pipe is going to be inserted halfway into the other pipe. This is theoretically. Practically you'll never get that because of the width of the pipe and other stuff. So you are going to insert it about 1/3 of the diameter. So we have to cut 1/3 of this pipe diameter. This pipe is 50 millimeters, 2-inch diameter. So 1/3 of this is 1.7 centimeters, 17 millimeters. About this. So we are going to mark and this side has to go. The same on the opposite side. Now let's see how it fits. Yeah, you see, almost perfect. Is to grind a little bit this part here, and I'll show you immediately how. So this is the extension for the push-up bar, but you have to be extra careful at the angles when you cut, because this notch right here is not right. It should have been like that, because this is the leg that's going to support the whole structure. Now this is how it should be cut. Okay, now time to weld the base on this side of the frame. As you can see, I stripped the zinc plating, otherwise, you know, it can't be welded properly. Now I'm going to add the push-up bar. Come on, admit it. I got it. Perfect joint. Let's see how it comes after welding. That's it. It's as symmetrical as it can be. A good welding shouldn't ever be grinded, or grinded very, very little. But yeah, it's not perfect, but good enough for planet Earth. Hey dog, what do you think about my welding? Are you pleased with my welding? Yeah. You just want some food. Well, this is how it actually should look like. This part here and this here have to go. The same goes for this. Have to go. And this one have to go. Since this is galvanized steel, there's no need to paint the whole structure. Well, I will only paint the welding spots using a 3-in-1 hammer blow paint. You will always want to wear your long sleeves while you're welding, otherwise you will get serious skin burn from the ultraviolets, or you can get a serious burn from touching hot material. One thing to consider when welding with an inverter welder is that ground crocodile should be connected to the plus terminal. Alright, and electrode crocodile should go to minus. For 2.5 millimeters electrode, around 90 amperes should be alright. But in the end, a good coat of paint always masks a bad welding. Don't smile, it's not funny.
Jedi strength flows from the Force. But beware of the dark side. Anger, fear, aggression. The dark side of the Force are they.
Is the dark side stronger?
No, no, no. But the busier, more seductive.
But how am I to know the good side from the bad?
You will know when you are calm, at peace, passive.
After 4 days of hard work, disappointments and few bruises, I am quite happy with the results. I exercise because it keeps me from going over to the dark side.
I 17 left, wind 26 degrees, 89.